Hello viewers, this is Johnny Vlogger in Costa, Adeje, Tenerife. It's a glorious sunny Tuesday. The temperature today must be at least 29-30 degrees. It's absolutely boiling. I've just been in the BBR lounge opposite the Cobra bar and the Mandarin Chinese buffet, and I'll tell you what, I was melting. So I've just gone past Rum Pot. If you look out in the sea, I don't know if you can see it on camera, there's a lovely view of La Gomera there. You can see La Gomera to the left of this tree. Can you see it? It's quite clear. It's lovely blue sky today. Look, there's no cloud, or just a few little tiny ones. Look at the view up in the mountain. You can see Mount Tidy today. You can't see it right now, but I'll show you it in a minute if I can. We're by Laguna Part 1. Laguna Part 1's there. You got Rum Pot up there. I've just passed it. I'll film that in a bit. So we're walking down to the Irish Rovers, the Temple Bar, which is down there, the beer garden. There's a recovery truck. We've got the 473 coming from Calao Salvaki. 447. Couple of green buses. So I'll cross this road in a minute when it's clear. Quick! See if I can show you Mount Tidy. It's just here. It's there. There it is, look. You can just see it. Look at that. It's crystal clear today. It's even got snow on the top of Mount Tidy. Look at that. You can see all the green trees. Ah, it's incredible. Anyway, enough of the scenery. Let's walk along here and we'll do a little quick video walking down to the front. Here we are. I've walked a bit further along. We got the Irish Rovers here. The Irish Rovers. Looks quite nice. People chilling. We've got a doctor medical place here. Medical consultancy, that's where you used to have to go when it was COVID, but obviously don't have to do that now. What we got here? We got Mario's restaurant, international cuisine. Looks very nice. Get a steak, a T-bone steak, 23 euros. A porterhouse steak, roast chicken. There's a Santa Claus. It looks quite nice in there. I've never been in here. Looks very Spanishy. There you go. There's a bank. There's Denise. BBVA, hair and nail salon, bleach, people getting their nails done. Tenerife properties, if you want to come and live here. I might think of coming to live here. They look a bit pricey there though. 275, studio flat 207, 285. We got the Coconut Cocktail Bar. There's a bus stop, taxi rank rather. Get your taxis here. Bus stops along the road. So you got the San Eugenio shopping centre there. Coconut Cocktail Bar. We got St Eugene's. We got the beer garden over the road. There's your San Eugenio. Shops are all round there, round the back. Beer garden over the road. Got a big roundabout here. It's quite a busy road, so you got to be careful here. The Irish Fiddler, Temple Bar. Scott's Corner over there. We're going to go down here now. This is where there's a pub here, bar, restaurant, the Ginger Pig. That looks quite nice. I haven't been in here yet, we'll have to give it a go. The ginger pig. Little pig on there. Irish fiddler. So when I came here in, pardon me, October, we went in the Thirsty Turtle for breakfast. So they're still open. I'll film it when I'm outside. Here we go, look, it looks quite busy today. The Thirsty Turtle. There we are. Get your breakfasts and drinks, etc. Meals. So we're walking down. We got the Flamingo Beach, mate. Flamingo Hotel, is it? Flamingo? I don't know. Just down here on the left. So here we are, we walked a bit further down. Flamingo Beach, mate. It's quite a posh hotel, isn't it? Got a little pathway around there. Can't say I've been down there. Hello. We got Harley's restaurant here next door. Probably open later. They got some American cars here. Look, they're all covered up at the moment. But it is, I'm pretty sure it's open in the evenings, or certain days it's open. It was closed for a long time, but it's all nice and clean and tidy now, so it's probably open. Right, so we're walking along here. This will go to the top of La Pinta Beach. There's a load of bars at the top. Bars and restaurants, so I'll show you them in a minute. So you got the CC Terra Nova. It's at the back of La Pinta Beach. Sao Paulo. A few little shops there. I haven't been in this restaurant, not sure what it's like. Have you ever been here? Write it down in your comments. Mixed grill, $14.95. They have some singers here. Emma Blacker, Brenda, a tribute to Elvis, Neil Harrison, so we got Plaza del Duke. No, that's further on. Right, let's go down here then. We're going to go down here, down some elevators. Look at that view of La Gomera, guys. That is pretty amazing. So we're going to walk down here now. Show you some of the shops round the back of La Pinta. Some sort of shop here, does souvenirs, electronics. I think I bought stuff in there before. Got a Chinese relaxed massage. Tenerife real estate agent. Here we go, we're going down here now. Whee! If I remember right, I'm not sure if you can go down every level, but you can go up every level. It's one or the other. So this is the first one. Iberica restaurant. How do we get down? Nah, you can only come up. You can come up every level, but you can't go down every level in elevators. So what we'll do, we'll walk around here. There's a lift over there. We'll go on the lift. So there you go, there's La Pinta Beach, Porto Colon. That's is it La Pinta Hotel? Looks quite nice. Big swimming pool. You've got all your different elevators down here, look. So we'll walk along here. Cocktail Club, Samum Cabinet Saloon, Restaurant Baku. Lunch of the day, €9. One lift's out of service. I've never been in these lifts. Let's go in these lifts. So there we go. There's more of Porto Colón. All the shops here, look. Got the Kegan Church, Peking Garden. Mini golf, Santindica, hop and grapes. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Don't know, that lift doesn't seem to work, so we've got to walk down some steps now. So Denise will struggle a bit here. She'll have to take it easy, won't you? Eh?
Yeah.
So we're by the Sky Bar. Coming down, getting closer to the beach. It's not very busy in here at the moment. A few people there. I think there's an Elvis guy singing over here in the Kegan Church. Let's walk down here then. There we go, look at that. Lovely, glorious sunshine, blue sky, 30 degrees. Lots of people on the beach here today. So I'm at the bottom now. Got lots of restaurants around here. You're spoilt for choice. Oh, look at this little buggy. Tucker. Sweet Tour Tenerife. Tuk Tuk. Adeje. So here we are, it's got the Adeje, mini golf, La Vlas, Marina Beach, the Royal Beach, all the people standing outside trying to get you in to go in their restaurants. Wow, look at that. You can get a breakfast for $2.75. Let's show that sign. $2.75, fried eggs, bacon, beans, sausage and toast. $2.75 at the Royal Beach. There you go. It's next to the La Vlas. So come down and get a cheap breakfast. Let's cross the road before we get splattered. So there you go, you got the Marina Beach, the best roast lamb, La Pergola, the Kegan Church. There's a man up there singing and talking. He looks like a London Cockney guy, doesn't he? It's like Del Boy's dead. OMY cash and carry. You got to be careful with some of these shops. Don't buy any tablets from these people. They're dodgy. So you got a new excursion place there, YOLO Excursions. Tasty Corner. It's closed today. That's new. So we've got a lovely. Look at this sea, man. Look at this sand. Oh. Isn't that beautiful? You can see Mount Tidy up there. I'll zoom in on Mount Tidy. Look, it's even got a bit of snow on the top. Can you see that? Have you ever been to the top of Mount Tidy? So it's quite packed on this beach for a December. People in the sea. Incredible. Pretty sure there used to be a bar here. Can't remember the name, but there was an Irish bar here. I did a live. It looks like it's gone. It's all boarded up. That's a shame. I'll put it in the comments what that bar was. It's all boarded up though. So you've got Neptune excursions, you've got Tropicana Sunrise, Neptuno excursions. Here we are, we've got Porto Colon here, all the boats. I'll film you the boats. Looks quite nice. Got some more places along there. I'm not going to walk along there. Let's show you the. Look at all those fish. Wow. Hello. Oh, boats. Looks nice. Looks a bit like Bright Marina. Very similar. This bit anyway, if you was to look at this bit, if you looked at this as a photograph, you go, wow, that looks like Bright Marina, but obviously it's Tenerife, Porto Colon. So there we are. We've got Peking Garden Chinese restaurant up there. If we walk round the corner, there should be that horrible restaurant I went to, the Slow Boat One. Let's see if it's still there. We'll quickly go around here, then we'll end the video, and then I'll do another video. So there it is, it still exists guys, but don't go there. I do not recommend you go there. You've got the Shamrock and Thistle, Ace Cafe, and the Slow Boat. The Slow Boat is up there. Right, so if you like this video, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's Johnny Vlogger UK. And hit the notification bell for all future videos and live releases. It's free to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.